It's better than on a chilly day, even though it's beautiful and sunny, hot cocoa. And today I'm going to show you my Cocoa Mocha eyeshadow tutorial and show you my look I have on today. The colors I'm using today is Hot Fudge, Mahogany, Burnished Bronze, and Rose Gold. For all of you ladies who love a natural brown look, you're going to love this combo for the perfect fall combination in your wardrobe and in your makeup palette. Step number 1, I'm applying Burnished Bronze eyeshadow in the crease of my eye. I'm taking this up a little higher and I'm actually blending it down into my lid a little bit. I'm not going over to the corner of my eye, but I am covering most of my lid with the Burnished Bronze, which as you can see is one of my favorite browns. I'm going to keep the cocoa going and I'm going to apply some of the Mahogany in the crease over top of the Burnished Bronze. And you might be asking, Sarah, why layer all these colors? It gives the illusion of a different look. If you wear just one eyeshadow, you're not going to have an in-depth look. So really getting a layer out of it, it changes the way all of your makeup looks on your eyes. So you have so many more options in your palettes when you combine things. And last, I'm going to apply for the cocoa colors, Hot Fudge. Who doesn't love Hot Fudge? I'm going to use my crease brush, one that has an angle on it, and I'm going to let the brush do the work for me. I'm going to apply it in the outer corner of my eye right here, and just kind of blend it about 1/4 of the way over. I want this color because it's the darkest of all of them in the outer 1/4 of my eye, and I'm really only concentrating and keeping it in that small area of my eye. I am going to go ahead and swoop it down under my lash line a little bit, and I'm going to switch brushes to get a better smudge. So I switched brushes to the smudger brush, and I applied a little bit of the Hot Fudge along my lash line underneath my eye area to give me a little bit more smokiness. Now there's 2 things to finish off every eye look, is to brighten the eye with the last color, which is the Rose Gold. I love Rose Gold. This color is one of my favorite eyeshadow colors. On the lid a little bit and in the inner corner of your eye, you don't want to use this on your brow bone. It's a little too dark for my skin tone, but you want to leave it on your lid and in the inner corner of your eye. And secondly, you want to blend. The blending brush makes everything perfect. And remember, when you're doing your eyeshadow, blending is the key to perfect eye makeup. You can never blend too much, and now it's all uniform. I finished off my Cocoa Mocha with some hint of pink mixed with Rosy nude cheek color and mixed with Glazed. So there's 3 things mixed together on my cheeks to give me the perfect nude look on my cheek. And then, of course, I had to finish off my Cocoa Mocha eye look with a little cinnamon. I have the cinnamon liquid matte lipstick on today. I love the combo. It's beautiful, it's matte, and the whole look itself is a really great natural look that you can take from day to night.